Here we come to the elevator at 1130 Kildaire Farm Road in Cary, North Carolina. This is a small old Dover. Classic Dover traditional, with the only exception of the sensor and lantern replacement. Two. That is a loud lantern. It just chimed again. It's got door disease. Your phone? It literally chimed twice. I'll let you see that sensor one more time. That was a sick sound. That was a very obnoxious chime. Alright, let's go back down to one in there. This elevator was installed in 1985. Ring it one more time. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get off this thing because I don't want to cause too much noise with this thing. There it goes. And that's it.